Alright everyone, here's going to be another remake, this time of the Breeze Calera. This fan I believe was installed around the same time as the Breeze Dention. I think this was added in. There was originally just a light here. But in case if anybody is wondering, this is a Calera because the blades are plastic, not wood. And nothing has changed about this fan at all, just a little bit dustier, but that's expected because it gets used a lot. So we'll start it off on low first. Okay, here's medium. I don't know if you can hear it or not. That loud AC over there, but it still has the noise. Oh. Would you look at that? Turned off right after I called it a loud AC. But it still makes a lot of noise. But it does move a pretty good amount of air. Can't complain. I'm gonna see if I can get the startup sound. Alright. Let's try it. And that is the Breeze Calera remake. Thank you for watching.